kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. Today we have our helper James and we are unboxing another Ryan's World toy. What toy do we have today, James?
Today we have the Ryan's World Dino Universe Series 1 with accessories. Here are all of the characters you can collect. Dr. Ryan, Dino Combo, Rock Hexworth, Glow in the Dark, Geologist Gus. We have Sheldon, Rare Glow in the Dark Jurassic Sheldon, Ultra Rare Robo Sheldon, and Alpha Lexa. Let's open it up. What do you guys think we're gonna get? I really think we're gonna get Dino Lexa.
I think we're gonna get Dino Combo.
Dino Combo?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see.
So let's see what we're gonna get. Who do you guys think if we are going to get?
We got Dino Alpha Lexa. Oh,
I guessed it. I knew it.
You were right. So let's open it up.
Let's see what's actually inside here. Did you guys guess Dino Alpha Lexa? So Alpha Lexa has some binoculars.
Nice.
I don't know where it's supposed to go.
Maybe in her hand. And she has a very good adventurous vest.
Yeah.
Wow. Now she can look and see what's going on with her binoculars.
And then look at the green and blue eyes. That's one of my favorite things about Alpha Lexa.
Awesome.
The green and blue eyes.
Awesome. So children, today's Anthony Robbins quote is, "It's your unlimited power to create and to love what can make the biggest difference in the quality of your life." It's your unlimited power to create and to love that can make the biggest difference in the quality of your life. So children, what Anthony Robbins is saying is, you have the power to create. You have the power to love. And that power, that unlimited power, is what is going to make the biggest difference in the quality of your life. You have the power to be a good student. You have the power to be the best scholar. You have the power to be the best runner. You have the power to be the best singer. And it is the ability, the power to create and to love, that is what's going to make the greatest and the biggest difference in your life. That is so awesome. If you learned something today, please share with your friends and family. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Remember what we always say on this channel? It's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. Thank you very much and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.